What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now we're continuing on with the new iPad Pro. So I've got my 13-inch M4 iPad Pro. Now we have just fitted a ESR screen protector to it. If you haven't seen that video, that's up here. However, I do want to continue with this series to find the best screen protector that you can buy and put it all together at the end. We've got right here from our other favourite brand, Spigen. So GLAStR EZFit, looks like it's got the EZFit technology, which is fantastic. You've got easy installation, oleophobic coating, real glass, surface hardness, delicate touch, and it's Spigen case friendly. Spigen cases on the way. Stay tuned for that. But let me move that out the way and let's take a look at what you get inside the box. I want to make sure this is just a nice, quick, simple, easy installation just for you guys. So let me just slice this open. Go ahead and take this out. So it looks like you only get one in this pack, so that's something to bear in mind. You do only get one shot at this if you mess it up. So you get your usual installation goodies inside here. You get how to install it on this bit of card right here. You get the actual EZFit tray and how to install it. That's the top up there. I'm going to go that way, as you can see, because notice place camera here, there's the notch, top facing upwards that way, and then obviously you're going to press it one and then slide down that way. So, you know, just bear that in mind on how you're doing it, or if you're doing it that way, you know, that's how you're going to do it. So inside the installation packet you get 4 lens screen clean and wipes, so that means that technically you should have got 2 of these, but you do only get 1. 2 lots of dust removal stickers, a nice Spigen microfiber cloth as per normal, and how to use the squeegee. But if you've ever fitted a Spigen product before, you may have this guy right here, and this one's a little bit better than this one. If you've got this one, then you know, to get the bubbles out, give this a try over using this one. I always find this is a bit coarse, it's a bit rough, but it's just got that nice felt edge on it, so you can really get in there and push them out. Dust removal sticker, we need 1, and we need 1 lens screen clean and wipe. The ESR one really stuck down well. All those fingerprints that are on there rather than on the screen. Prefer that, most definitely. Then you're going to take your lens and screen clean and wipe. Rip that open. Now these are always super wet, so just bear that in mind. Move that over to the centre a bit more, just so we're centered. And then just go over that screen. Obviously I've had the other screen protector on, so my screen isn't too bad, but I have got that mark right there where the camera cutout is. And just go over the screen, make sure it's nice and clean. Obviously I've got to get the other residue off from the other screen protector. And what I like to do is take the microfiber and I like just to go over it, just to grab off any excess water or anything that might be on there that needs to come off. It's looking pretty good. But what you're going to do next is you're going to grab your dust removal sticker, and then you're going to just literally grab it in between your finger and just dab and take off any little bits of dust that may have settled on your nice OLED screen. Okay, next up you're going to take your screen protector, remove film from this portion right here. And obviously when you guys are fitting yours, you won't be behind a camera. Peel it back like so, and then place over the iPad like that. It's nice and easy fit technology. Push it number 1, slide your finger down to number 3. Push your finger down, number 1, slide your finger all the way down, and then leave it 30 seconds to do its thing, and then we'll see where we go from there.
A few moments later.
So we should be good to roll now. Let's give it a few more seconds, I think. So let's take over. Okay, so then you're going to remove, where it says remove from here, you're going to peel up, but just keep your hands on the plastic piece. You don't want that to slide up just yet. Just move up with it. And there we go. Next up, let's take off the EZFit tray. Now here's the thing with the Spigen ones, you don't actually know what's film and what's actual protector. So like you'd need to peel this part up in order to see it. So there's 2 right there I can see. So like the big bubbles I would ignore. It's these little ones right here. You want to try and take them out as best you can. Obviously they do give you this squeegee, so obviously you're also better taking off you're turning off your iPad to do this, and don't just leave it on like I have. So I don't know whereabouts we are on this right now. So let's just turn the screen off. Okay, so that's one right there. You can also, as I said, you can use your finger to push these out too. If you don't want to use the likes of this squeegee or the other squeegee, you can just use your finger. And boom, there we go. So, as you can see, like the dust has formed on this. I don't know why it does that. Spigen ones always seem to have this where it seems to have like a weird layer of dust on it. So what I tend to do is, I would obviously use a ice wipe, but as they provided extra, grab another lens screen cleaning cloth and just go over it. Just give it a little touching over, just so that it's looking nice. It's looking no dust, etc. You know, no little bits are on it. Give it a good look over. So grab one of these, spread it out. Just go over your screen protector. Just give it a nice quick cleaning, as it might stop all that surface dust just from landing and smudging up your iPad. Oleophobic coating on these Spigen ones is top notch. Top notch. Good one. Grab your little cloth and just give it a quick wiping over. Make sure it's nice and clean. You know, nice and easy clean. Like stuff like that you may see every now and again. It's just where it's been a bit wet underneath, but it'll just dry. It'll dry, the glue will set, and you won't ever see it again. So just give it like 24 hours to set itself. There we go. Nice easy install of the Spigen GLAStR EZFit. As you can see, the OLED screen looks absolutely fantastic and is now well and truly protected. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. What I'm going to do is, we've got Spigen cases and stuff like that for the iPad coming in, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Get subscribed now for those videos. If you have anything you want to see with the new iPad Pro 13-inch M4, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave links to this screen protector in the description down below to where you guys can pick it up. It'll be my affiliate link, won't cost you guys any extra. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. But for now guys, take it easy, stay safe, and I will see you all soon.